I'm just checking in on you to see how you be doing, 'cause people be saying it's the end when really it's the beginning, yes. Life is filled with stress and sin, but life is in the living. It's also filled with love and light. So what you gon' just give in? So what you gon' just give in? Yeah. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Ethnic, democratic, economic, geographic. Tell me what's your demographic? I'ma put it on a chart and graph it. Reduce your life to data and statistics. It's tragic, cause a human's life ain't worth shit. Don't get mad at me for saying it. Since we talking records, it's recorded, and if you knew some history, then we could call it historic. Or if you had a heart or religion, then maybe you deplore it. So make a flick, put some music to it. I got some peoples who could score it, but the simple truth of the matter is, the truth is simply epic. Racism, sexism, intolerance, injustice are pandemic. The absence of a system of checks and balances in my country is systemic, so let's fix it. On this day, there will be no talk of war, or politic, or disaster, or death. Love is alive today, so we will speak only of love. There will be only love on tongue and lip, and in heart and thought. And it won't be that Hollywood type of love, not TV love, not dime store novel love, and certainly not, absolutely not, mainstream music love. Love. Love, you know, love. Love that has been worked on like gardens and term papers. Love that has been nurtured like children, and well, like children. Love that falls, crashes, even burns, but dusts off, fixes up, and rises. Rises. More brilliant than before. Phoenix love. Yeah. Phoenix love. So let us speak only of love. Healing love. No herbal or over-the-counter love, real healing love, like God's love, like your mother's love, like lover's love, like best friend love, like change the world love, like human love, humans love. Love soft, love hard, but just love.